Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft in yet another interesting unboxing of the Canon EOS RP. This is the camera which I got it. This is one of the best cameras I would say for full frame if you want to buy it under one leg. And with this I got camera lens which is the RF 50mm 1.8. This particular combination is a deadly killer. Would recommend to anyone who is yet into starting their first YouTube channel. This is 100% recommended guys. So I got this particular camera from Idea Digital Color Lab. You all can check out. And here is the owner, Mr. Abhishek. He has provided me a great discount for this particular camera. So let me just tell you how much this particular camera cost you online. On Amazon, the MRP and the cost price which I was supposed to pay was 89. And how much this is costing? 1000 guys. And I got a fantastic discount of around 1000. And this is the RF lens which comes with it. And this is 50mm 1.8. So if you are into getting that blurry background, highly recommended. This particular lens is the one which you have to get. This is the native RF lens which is available for this. Would recommend to anyone who is looking for their first portrait lens. This particular lens maybe is available for maybe around 120 or 90. And what's the cost of this? How much we are getting this? So we are getting this for 1500 guys. Another great deal. So this is one of the reasons I would highly recommend. Again, this is not sort of a paid promotion or something. Contacted him online as he gave me a code which was way better than online. So if you all are looking to buy a camera, at least maybe in this particular lockdown in 2021, please visit his shop. He's great in terms of giving discount. Thanks Abhishek a lot for giving me a great discount on this particular EOS camera, and I hope the subscriber of this particular channel will
Sure.
from you.
Sure, definitely.
So,
More than that, I'm happy because you have got a good product.
Yeah.
And definitely, this will help you gain more.
Yeah.
Because what is happening today is the more quality, the more content, good content you're giving.
Yeah, and content has been like always, on the growth. Maybe in 2020, 21 since lockdown, everyone is watching, YouTube and all. And basically, this is a great time to start your first YouTube channel, and especially a great time for each and every content creator. So, without further ado, guys, let's get started. So let us now just unbox this Canon EOS RP and just check out what else we get in the particular box. Also, I have purchased another lens for this, the 50mm, which also I'll be showing. So make sure that you watch this particular video till the end. And here we have certain documentation. This is a 26 megapixel full frame by Canon, and one of the fantastic cameras. And this is the battery which you get, the same as the Rebel series. And here is the charger which we have it, and then again you have something called as the extension cord, and which you need to connect to the outlet and use this, and comes with a Digic 8 processor. I wish Canon would have given the Digic 10 and some manuals and warranty cards which you get with this particular camera. And this is the strap EOS RP, and let us just remove the particular camera and just check out how it is, the feel and also guys, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button and press the subscribe button to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. So here is the EOS RP which I have it, and this just reminds me of the 5D Mark IV and those lines of series. And it is very compact, and this got that tilty flippy screen which is really great, especially if you are a vlogger and all. You can just tilt it to the front and you all can vlog with this. So here is an advantage of this, and it is very compact, just feels like a APS-C camera in my hand. And let us just check out what other things. So here you have the lock, so which helps you to lock all your functions like shutter speed, etc. And if you have changed the aperture and all, it will be staying it locked. So this is a shutter speed button. Here you can press the shutter to take pictures, and this is a switch which you can switch on the camera. And there is this D-pad, that scrolling thing like the 5D Mark IV or the i5. And here we have the autofocus button, and can allow you to do. Here is the proximity sensor, and let me just switch it to the front. And this is the battery door which we have it, and it's a kind of disappointment that Canon have given it the Rebel series or the entry level camera DSLR series battery, and this takes up about 250 to 300 shots. But again, you need to buy a new battery if you are planning to shoot a lot of videos with this. And after setting up, let us just check out what else we get. And you can use this pad for just changing the numbers, and especially the shutter speed button, just to change the numbers on this. And this is how it looks, guys. And let me know in the comments below like which camera you all are using, and do you really like the look of it. This just looks like the EOS R, and without some missing buttons, etc. And the brilliant part about Canon is that now with the touchscreen you can control all the menu function. You all can change the manual functions, etc. with this particular touchscreen at the back. Also, it allows you to focus, and this camera is having both face and eye tracking autofocus, just like the Sony. And Sony is not allowing you to rotate the menus, etc. Let me just show you the sensors. This is the same sensors which we have in 60 Mark II, and it's a full frame sensor. That's the main reason I purchased this. And let me just show you the lens which I get with this. Actually, I've purchased a lens separately, and only the body you get with the camera, the EOS RP. And here is a lens, and it comes with some basic documentation like warranty and whatnot, which nobody reads. And the lens which I purchased is because I like full frame, and I'll be taking a lot of portraits, so 1.8 is sort of must. And if you're buying this particular camera, please make sure that you all are getting this lens, because it is very affordable, under 20,000, and superb deal by the shopkeeper who have given me. And this is a 50mm lens, so it is very universal lens which you can go with. I'll show you a nice cool technique here. The RF lenses comes with a control and focusing ring, and what you all can do is you all can change it to either, if you want it like a manual focus, or you all can change it to changing of the ISO or shutter speed. So personally I like to keep it disabled, but you all can use this. In fact, let me just connect this to the camera and show you all how this actually feels. And let me just remove this cap. Also, guys, if you want to align it, all you need to do is, there is this two red dots which you have it. You'll just have to align this properly and then rotate it clockwise, so this will lock, and then you'll be getting a click kind of sound. Then you all can use it. And my goodness, guys, the glass look really fantastic. Comes with 9 aperture blades, I believe, and it is like massive, I would say. But the size of this particular DSLR and the 50mm is quite compact. It just does not feel like a full frame, it just feels like a APS-C. And the grip is superb, guys, the texture, etc. And here you can change the shutter speed. Also, let me just show you the side of this. And this control ring which you have it, or the focusing, what you'll call it, it is extremely smooth, and it is like one of the best lenses which RF lenses have to offer. So if you are buying this particular camera, you all can only use RF lenses, and it comes with adapter which you all can help of which you all can you can select other languages. So it comes with HDMI and USB and mic and the headphone jack. Yes, you can monitor your audio while recording it. And also you get this remote shutter which will be able to release the shutter while clicking it. And the RF lens lineup is superb. That's one of the main reason I went for this particular camera. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think about this particular camera. And do check out some other cool videos which we have it on our channel. Also, please subscribe to this particular channel, because we'll be posting a full review of this particular EOS RP. Also, guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.